Hello guys, welcome to Mathematics Guru. Today we will discuss about three-digit multiplication. As in our earlier video, I have tell you about two-digit multiplication. So let's first revise two-digit multiplication because it is very related to three-digit multiplication. So first we have to multiply top or bottom by ones digit. So 5 3 is a 15, 1 carry, and we have to cross multiply ones with tens digit. So 6 3 is 18 plus 7 5 is 35, and 1 carry we have totally add, then it will give us 54. 4 is the digit and 5 is the carry, and we have to cross multiply this. We have to multiply this. 7 6 42 and 5 47. So this is our two-digit multiplication. Now in three-digit multiplication it is just similar process. First we have to multiply this up or down as we have done in the two-digit multiplication. Then we have to cross multiply these two numbers as we have done in the two-digit multiplication. Now we have to multiply 100 with ones and tens with tens. So 100 with ones, it will give 9 3 is 27, 8 8 is 64. Okay, 9 3 is 27, 8 8 is 64, and 7 6 is 42, and 11 is the carry which comes from the previous calculation. Okay, now we have to add all. 7 4 11, 12 13 14, 1 carry, 10 12 13 14, 144. So 4 is the unit digit and 14 is the carry. So now is in the fourth step we have to multiply the tens digit with hundreds digit, cross multiplication. Okay, so 6 3 is 18 and 8 7 is 56. Adding all these, 8 5 7 8 88. 8 is the digit and 8 will be carry out. Okay, now we have to multiply the hundreds digit, that is 8 into 3, that is 24. 24 into 8 32. So final digit is 32. This is our final digit calculation and it will save a lot of time. Now you can try this at home by performing normal calculation and check it out that whether I am right or wrong. Okay, now let us try another example. 9 7 is 63. Okay, up or down. 6 is the carry, 7 7 is 49, and 9 6 of 54. It's 109. So 9 is the digit and 10 will be carry out. Okay, now multiply this with this and this. So 7 5 is 35, and 9 8 is 72, and 7 6 is 42. Adding all these we will get 9 159. So 9 will be the digit which will come and 50 is the carry. Now we have to multiply these tens with hundreds. So 6 5 is the 30 and 8 7 is 56. Okay, adding these all, 6 5 11, 5 3 8 9 and 10. So 1 is there and 10 will be carrying, and I'm multiplying hundreds with up or down. 8 5 is 40, 40 plus 10 50. So finally 501993. And let us try one more example so that you will get a more clarity. Okay, 6 5 is 30, 3 will be carried. Now cross multiply these. 6 to the 12 and 5 to the 10. 12 plus 10 25, as 3 is carried out. So 5 will be the digit and 2 will be carried. Now multiply these and this. 6 3 is 18, 5 4 20, 20 and 18, and 2 2 is 4. Okay, 8 4 12, 14 3 4 44. So 4 and 4 will be carried out. Okay, now cross multiply tens with hundreds. 3 2 is 6, 4 2 is 8, 8 and 6 14, 14 plus 4 18. Okay, so 8 is the digit and 1 will be carried. 4 3 is 12. 12 plus 1 13. So this is our final answer. Now you can practice this at home. If you will practice 4 to 5 times, then you will get perfection and it will save a lot of time in your calculation. So let us revise and see the steps which you have to follow. So multiply one's digit up or down, okay, and then multiply tens digit by one's digit as done in 2-digit multiplication, as I have already told you. Now cross multiply hundreds digit with ones digit, okay, and tens digit with tens and add them. Now cross multiply hundreds with tens digit and add them. Now multiply hundreds digit with up or down, okay. I will tell you, multiply first ones digit, then tens digit with ones, then multiply 100 digit with ones and cross multiply 100 digit with ones and with tens digit, and then finally multiply hundreds digit, and then multiply tens digit with hundreds and finally hundreds digit with 100. Then you will get the proper calculation. You can check it at home and please comment and tell me that whether I am right or wrong and whether it is saving your time or not, so that I will provide you more videos on this type of topics. So please like, share and subscribe to Mathematics Guru, and thank you.